Does Tesla advertise? Ever looked at a billboard and wondered why you've never seen a Tesla ad? Or maybe you've scrolled through your favorite social media platform and noticed a glaring absence of Tesla promotions. It's a peculiar thing, isn't it? A company that's managed to become one of the most valuable car manufacturers in the world without the traditional marketing playbook. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, Tesla does advertise. But not in the way you're used to. The company has taken a radical departure from the conventional advertising model, opting for a strategy that's as electric as its cars. So, what's the deal? Why does Tesla seem to be immune to the allure of flashy commercials and targeted ads? Well, it all boils down to one core principle: brand image. Tesla has positioned itself as a revolutionary, tech-forward company that's changing the way we think about transportation. This image is carefully cultivated and nurtured, and traditional advertising could potentially dilute it. Think about it. A Tesla commercial airing during the Super Bowl, sandwiched between ads for beer and fast food, might not exactly align with the brand's image of sustainability and innovation. It's a delicate balance, and Tesla seems to have mastered it. Instead of spending millions on TV spots, Tesla relies heavily on word-of-mouth marketing, press coverage, and social media. Elon Musk, the company's charismatic CEO, is a master at generating buzz and keeping Tesla in the headlines. Every tweet, every product announcement, and even every controversial statement contributes to the company's overall brand story. Tesla's showrooms are another key component of their advertising strategy. Unlike traditional dealerships, Tesla stores are designed to be more like high-end boutiques. They're sleek, minimalist, and focused on creating a premium customer experience. This approach reinforces the brand's image as a luxury product. But let's not forget about the product itself. Tesla's cars are, without a doubt, their best advertisement. With their impressive range, cutting-edge technology, and sleek design, these vehicles generate excitement and desire simply by existing. Every Tesla on the road is a rolling billboard, showcasing the brand to the world. However, it's important to note that Tesla's advertising strategy isn't entirely devoid of paid media. The company does occasionally run targeted online ads, but these are typically focused on generating leads and driving traffic to their website, rather than building brand awareness. So, does Tesla's unconventional approach work? Judging by the company's market capitalization and growing customer base, it seems to be paying off. Tesla has managed to create a cult-like following and a level of brand loyalty that's rare in the automotive industry. But is this strategy sustainable? Can Tesla continue to grow and maintain its premium image without increasing its advertising spend? Only time will tell. One thing is for sure, Tesla's approach to marketing is a fascinating case study in the evolving world of advertising. As consumers become increasingly skeptical of traditional ads, companies like Tesla are showing us that there are alternative ways to build a strong brand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.